Good evening. My name is Archana Arvind. Here I am going to take a class on computers. We all are quite familiar with the word computers. Nowadays, we can't imagine a day without a computer. What do you mean by a computer? A computer is an electronic device which is used for means of communication. Electronic device which is used for means of communication, data processing, information gathering, computation, calculation, and accuracy. Who is the father of computer? Charles Babbage is the father of computer. Okay. Father of computer. Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage is the father of computer. What do you mean by a computer? A computer is an electronic device which is used for means of communication, information gathering, data processing, high speed mathematical calculation, computation, and accuracy. Okay. Computer can be divided into two types: computer software and computer hardware. Two types: software, hardware. Computer can be divided into two types: computer software and computer hardware. Computer programs are called computer software. Programs. Computer programs are called computer software. Hardware. Computer equipments. Computer equipments are called computer hardware. Computer software can be divided into two types. Computer software can be divided into two types: application software, system software. Application software, system software. Computer software can be divided into two types: application software, system software. Application software examples. Application software. MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, are example for application software. Application software example: MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Excel. These are examples for application software. System software. Example. System software example. Linux, Windows operating system, Linux operating system, Ubuntu operating system, Mac operating system. Okay. Linux operating system, Windows operating system, Ubuntu, Mac operating systems are example for operating systems, system software. Computer can be divided into three types. Digital computer, analog computers and hybrid computers. Computers can be divided into three types: digital computers, analog computers and hybrid computers. Digital computers consist of processing large amount of data. Okay, processing data processing. The digital computers are used to process large amount of data. Analog computers are used in order to measure physical quantities such as temperature, volume, pressure, etc. Analog computers are used in order to measure physical quantities such as temperature, volume, pressure, etc. Okay. Now, the third one, hybrid computers. Hybrid computers is a combination of digital and analog computers. The third one, hybrid computers, is a combination of digital and analog computers. A combination of digital and analog computer. There are 5 generations of computers. First generation computer, second generation computer, third generation computer, fourth generation computer and fifth generation computer. Generations of computer. Okay. There are 5 generations of computer. First generation computer, second generation computer, third generation computer, fourth generation computer and fifth generation computer. First generation computer is known as machine language. Machine language means computer understand only 2 bits, 0 and 1. Computer understand only 2 digits, that are 0 and 1 bits, 2 bits, 0 and 1. Computer understand only 2 bits, 0 and 1. We have to convert the language, our language into computer's language, machine language. We have to convert high level language into low level language or object level language, the source language into object level language or low level language, which computer understands, the machine level language. Computer understands only 2 bits, 0 and 1. We have to convert high level language into low level language. Computer understands only 2 bits, 0 and 1. We have to convert our language, that means high level language, into low level language. In order to understand the high level language, we have to convert the high level language into low level language. Computer understand only machine language. It understands only 2 bits, 0 and 1. Okay. Machine level language. Second generation language is called as assembly language. Assembly language works according to mnemonics. Certain instructions, certain codes of instruction known as mnemonics. Assembly language. Next comes third generation language. C, Pascal, Fortran. Example for third generation language. Fourth generation language. Example for DBase, Oracle. Example for fourth generation language. Fifth generation language example Prolog A, Snowball, Lisp, etc. are example for fifth generation languages. Okay, that's all for today's session. എൻ്റെ ഈ ചാനൽ കണ്ടു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നിങ്ങൾ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യണം, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യണം, കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യണം, ഈ ചാനലിനെ സപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്യണം. താങ്ക് യു. ദാറ്റ്സ് ഓൾ ഫോർ ടുഡേ. പ്ലീസ് ലൈക്ക്, comment and subscribe my channel. That's all for today's session.